Hi, everybody. It's Professor Ken, and this video is for Wednesday, January 25th. And you have to report to class today, January 25th, and you'll be broken up into groups of approximately 3. When you get into your groups, you're going to complete the Gizmos activity on rational functions. And I'm going to show you how to get started on that right now. So I'm going to share my screen. And I'm going to turn off my face so I don't get in the way. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to start off by going into Gizmos. And you must have already set up your Gizmos account. If you haven't, stop right now and go set it up. So you're going to go to www. My dog is barking downstairs. I apologize. explorelearning.com. And you're going to click on logins. And you're going to click on Gizmos. Now, you should already have your student login set up, so you would click on my username. For your initial setup, you'd go to my teacher's username. No, you'd still go to my username, put in the code, but you've done that already. So since I'm the educator, I'm going to log in as myself. All right. You will go to you only have one calculus. So when you go to your calculus class, when you open it up, you're going to see something called rational functions at the very top. That's the gizmo we're going to be using today. And what you should do first is click on lesson information and student exploration in Google Doc. There's also a link to that in the Blackboard. And you will select make a copy. And still, I got the circle of death here. The first thing you're going to do is rename it using your name. So you're going to put in Joe Schmo and then January 25th. Something like, okay, then you put your name and the date here. All right, this is called the student exploration. And you will be completing this as evidence that you have learned how to use the gizmo. So there's an introductory section or warm up. Then there's activity A. And then there's activity B. And you probably can complete this in class and submit it. Excuse me, I'm hacking up a lot. All right, so what do we do? All right, so we would go to, once again, our Gizmo page and click Launch the Gizmo. And it's pretty simple. This is the gizmo you're working with. So basically, you have controls that are just like sliders, gizmos, and you can pick an A value, an H value, and a K value. And you're going to explore with this and determine how H, K, and A impact the graph. You also may be asked to work with tables. So these are the controls, but you could also go to table. And here's the function, and it gives the X and Y values. Now you could change, let me scroll down just a little bit. You could change your minimum X value, making -10, your maximum X value 20, and step by how much each one increases, maybe by 3s, whatever you want, and click compute. And there they are. And if you click on export, it puts this table in an Excel file for you. Go back to controls, and you want to see your domain. Oh, let me get this out of the way. You would click on show domain. And you see that the domain is all X values except for this X value right here, which would probably be -3.3. Now, when you're all done with the gizmo, scroll down and you'll see that you have a 5-question multiple choice quiz. After you take your quiz, you're going to submit, and it gives you an automatic grade. You can keep doing it over and over again if you want until you get 5 out of 5. But you're going to screenshot that grade and put that into Canvas under the quiz section. So I believe I'm going to put some introductory reading materials in for you as well. So, and a PowerPoint to help you with this. So I hope this video, you find this video helpful. And you are now ready to do the gizmo. Okay, I'm going to stop the share. Here I am, and I wish you all the best of luck. I wish I could be with you.